In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a PIN number to your account. So from the library homepage, wilsoncommunitylibrary.com, scroll down till you find the gray bar where it says click the link below to search our catalog for books and other materials. Double click on the Niagara Library System icon. In the upper right hand corner, click on the link to my account. A little box appears and the library card number is on the back of your library card. Underneath the barcode is a 14-digit number. Please add that in the first box. And if you do not already have a PIN, then add the temporary PIN of Change Me as it says in the directions below. If you have an account but you don't remember your PIN, go to Forgot My PIN and there will be instructions sent to you from the Niagara system in an email within 24 hours. And then you can log into your account, and from here you can renew any of the books you have, usually place the hold when we aren't closed, and you can also go ahead and create your free account for Hoopla or Libby with this PIN. Just be sure to add it so you don't forget your PIN for all of your Niagara Library System needs. If you need further assistance, please email us at wilsoncommunitylibrary@gmail.com. Thanks.